Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today we are learning alphabet and counting. This is our color. This is our colors. Blue color, blue color. Sky blue color, sky blue color. Brown color, brown color. Pink color, pink color. Yellow color, yellow color. Baby pink color, baby pink color. Purple color, purple color. Dark green color, dark green color. Orange color, orange color. Light green color, light green color. Black color, black color. Red color, red color. A for apple. B for balloon. B for balloon. C for cartoon. C for cartoon. D for donkey. D for donkey. E for elephant. E for elephant. One, two, three, four, five. F for fish. F for fish. G for girl. G for girl. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10.